Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Geeks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. This is a great way to ensure data consistency and make data entry easier. We'll use an example of companies and their CEO names. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare our data. In one sheet, list down the companies and their CEO names. Let's create a list of 7 companies with their respective CEOs. Open a new sheet and type all 7 CEO names correctly. Now let's create the drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. Go to the Data tab and then click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, under Allow, select List. In the source box, select CEO name. Click OK, and now you have a drop-down list in cell B2 with the names of the CEOs. Let's test it out. Click the drop-down arrow in cell B2 and you should see all the CEO names listed. Select one to enter it into the cell. And there you go, you have successfully created a drop-down list in Excel.